Meta launches Threads app to challenge Twitter. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, has launched a new app called Threads that is designed to rival Twitter. Threads is a text-based app that allows users to share real-time updates and public conversations with their followers. The app is connected to Instagram, so users can share their Threads posts to their Instagram feed. Threads is being seen as a direct challenge to Twitter, which has been struggling to grow its user base in recent years. Meta is hoping that Threads will appeal to younger users who are looking for a more casual and visually appealing social media experience. The app has already been downloaded by over 10 million users since its launch on Wednesday. It is available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Key features of Threads. Real-time updates. Users can share short status updates, photos, and videos with their followers in real time. Public conversations. Users can start public conversations with their followers, or join conversations that have already been started. Connected to Instagram. Threads is connected to Instagram, so users can share their Threads posts to their Instagram feed. Visually appealing. Threads uses a clean and modern design that is appealing to younger users. Will Threads be a success? It is still too early to say whether Threads will be a success. However, the app has a number of factors in its favor. It is backed by Meta, which has a large user base and a deep understanding of social media. The app is also visually appealing and easy to use. However, Threads will also face some challenges. Twitter is a well-established platform with a loyal user base. It is also difficult to break into the social media market, as there are already a number of popular apps competing for users' attention. Only time will tell whether Threads will be a success. However, it is an ambitious app with the potential to shake up the social media landscape.